Today we have a problem with a weird title. So we need to find the smallest element in an array, then add that number to the answer. Once you process that, we also have to cancel the numbers from its left and the right. Now we find the next smallest number and add that to the sum. There is nothing on right, so we only cancel left element. Now we take the last remaining element and add that to the sum. And at last you return the sum. There is one constraint that we need to be careful about. If two numbers have same value, then we need to pick the number with smallest index. Since we always need to keep the track of smallest element, we can use the min heap. We start with 0th index and the priority is defined by its value, so number, and if the numbers are same, then the minimum index, so 0. Now when we process 1 is less than 2, so 1 will come above 2. Now the order of your heap will look like this. Now we simply look through heap and find our sum. At index 1 we have 1, so we add that to the sum. Now once you process this number, we don't need this anymore, so we update its value to be -1 and also update the value of its left and the right candidate. Next we have 0th index, but in 0th index we already have value -1, indicating that we already have visited that element. At index 5 we have element 2, so we say +2, update that and its neighboring element to -1. Next we have 2, but it's -1, so we skip. Then at 3 we have 4. Now we are out of the loop, so we simply return sum. First initialize the result. Now initialize the min heap. Now fill your min heap, look through heap, get the index of the minimum element. If it is already processed, then skip, else update your result. Then update its left and the right index to be -1. At last we are going to return the result.